we are going to take a look at how to write some small numbers using scientific notation. So if you did not watch the previous video, you should go back and take a look at that. So I have this number here. I have 0.000004. That's quite a lot of zeros. And I want to write that in scientific notation. So when we're writing something in scientific notation, we should have one digit before the decimal that's not a zero. And then it's going to be multiplied by a power of 10. So I'm going to first figure out how many times I would have to move the decimal to move it behind the 4, which would be my first non-zero digit. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots to get that decimal behind the 4. So this is going to be 4 times 10. And then I did move it 6 spots. But because this is a small number, we get small numbers by dividing. That's not going to be a positive 6. It is going to be a negative 6. So I have 4 times 10 to the power of negative 6. If I take a look at the next one, same idea. I want the decimal to be after the first non-zero digit, which would be the 5. So I want this to be 5.02. And then I'm going to see how many times did I have to move the decimal to get it behind the 5. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots. So this is going to be 10 to the power of 9. But because this is a small number, we get really small numbers by dividing. That needs to be a negative 9. So you just need to remember, if it's a really tiny number, you want to use a negative exponent. If it's a big number, you want to use a positive exponent.